My battery keeps on dying, even though it's pretty neat. What could be the problem?
Could be a lot of issues causing something similar to that. You could have a electrical short somewhere that's causing a draw on the battery system overnight. It could be possibly the cables itself. Just because the cables are connected and they were put on with a new battery doesn't mean that there's not issues maybe with the cables down the line. If they weren't maintained properly and you get a lot of corrosion on them, that causes the cable to deteriorate, not just from the battery section itself, but down through the battery cables. You could have corrosion in those cables as far as 2 or 3 feet into the cable connection itself, which you won't be able to see unless you have somebody check it and take a look at it for you.